This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll pick up where we left off and delve deeper into the diverse array of components that make up your vehicle's interior. From the dashboard and door panels to the pedals and rearview mirror, we'll explore their roles and contributions to your driving comfort and safety. Get ready to expand your knowledge of your car's interior as we continue our exploration. Climate control knobs. Imagine climate control knobs as the conductors of your car's temperature orchestra. With these knobs, you have the power to tune the temperature settings to your liking. Whether you prefer a cozy warmth or a refreshing coolness, these knobs allow you to fine-tune the climate inside your vehicle. By adjusting both the temperature and airflow intensity, you can create a customized environment that suits your preferences, ensuring a delightful journey every time you hit the road. Storage compartments. Storage compartments in a car play a crucial role in keeping your essentials organized and within reach while on the road. Let's look at two storage compartments commonly found in vehicles: the glove compartment and the center console. Glove compartment. The glove compartment, located in front of the front seat passenger, is a handy storage space that can hold a variety of items. Despite its name, it's not just for gloves. This compartment is ideal for storing your vehicle's registration and insurance documents, owner's manual, sunglasses, and small personal items like pens, notepads, and tissues. Its capacity varies among car models, but typically it can accommodate items that you may need easy access to while driving. Center console. The center console is a versatile storage area between the front seats, offering a range of storage options for drivers and passengers. It usually consists of cup holders, a small tray for coins or small items, a larger storage bin, and sometimes a compartment with a cover. This space is perfect for keeping your smartphone, wallet, keys, and other personal belongings secure and organized while driving. Additionally, some center consoles feature built-in charging ports or connections for electronic devices, adding to their functionality. With the glove compartment and center console at your disposal, you can keep your car clutter-free and ensure that essential items are always within arm's reach. Next time you hit the road, make the most of these convenient storage solutions to enhance your driving experience. Safety features. Ensuring your safety on the road is paramount when it comes to car interiors. Here are two safety features that play crucial roles in protecting passengers during unexpected situations. Airbags. Airbags are not just inflatable cushions. They are a vital component of modern car safety systems. In the event of a collision, airbags deploy rapidly to provide a cushioning effect for passengers, reducing the impact forces on the head and chest. This quick deployment can be a game changer in preventing severe injuries during accidents. Remember, always buckle up and complement the protective function of airbags with seatbelts for maximum safety. Seatbelts are your first line of defense in a vehicle and are designed to keep you securely in place during sudden stops or crashes. Buckling up should be a seamless part of your routine every time you get in a car, whether as a driver or passenger. Seatbelts not only prevent you from being thrown from the vehicle but also minimize the risk of hitting hard surfaces inside the car. Their importance in ensuring your safety on the road cannot be overstated. Remember, it's not just a legal requirement, it's a pivotal element in protecting your life every time you drive. Infotainment system. In today's cars, the infotainment system plays a crucial role in enhancing the driving experience. Let's talk about two components that are transforming how we interact with our vehicles. Touchscreen display. The touchscreen display is the centerpiece of modern car infotainment systems. Imagine having all the controls and information at your fingertips with just a touch. These displays are not only visually appealing but also highly functional, allowing you to access navigation, music, phone calls, climate control, and more, all from one intuitive interface. With vibrant colors and crisp graphics, the touchscreen display offers a seamless and user-friendly experience for drivers and passengers alike. Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity in car infotainment systems has revolutionized the way we stay connected while on the road. By enabling hands-free communication, Bluetooth technology allows you to make and receive calls, stream music, and even send messages without taking your hands off the wheel. This not only enhances convenience but also promotes safety by minimizing distractions while driving. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to a seamless wireless connection that keeps you connected without compromising your focus on the road ahead. Drive smart, stay connected, and elevate your driving experience with these advanced features of the modern car infotainment system. Mirror system. Having a well-functioning mirror system in a car is crucial for safe driving. Now we will look at the different components of the mirror system and their roles in ensuring visibility and awareness on the road. Rear view mirror. The rear view mirror is a pivotal part of the mirror system in a car. Positioned inside the vehicle, it provides the driver with a seamless view of the activities at the rear of the car. This mirror is fast-paced and offering real-time feedback on any cars approaching from behind, thereby aiding the driver in making swift decisions while changing lanes or merging onto highways. The rear view mirror is a game-changer when it comes to enhancing the driver's awareness and overall driving experience. Side mirrors. Side mirrors, also known as wing mirrors, are placed on both sides of the car. These mirrors play a quest role in expanding the driver's view, diminishing blind spots, and enabling a comprehensive outlook of the surrounding traffic. By leveraging the side mirrors effectively, drivers can maintain a safe distance from other vehicles and execute maneuvers like overtaking with ease. Side mirrors are fundamental to safe driving practices and should be adjusted correctly before embarking on any journey. Ensuring that your mirror system, including the rearview mirror and side mirrors, is functioning optimally can significantly reduce the chances of accidents and enhance your driving proficiency. By staying attentive to the information provided by these mirrors, you can navigate through traffic with confidence and resilience, making your driving experience both safe and enjoyable. Interior trim. When it comes to the interior of your car, the trim plays a crucial role in both aesthetics and functionality. One essential aspect of car interior trim is the door panels, which not only contribute to the overall look of the vehicle but also serve important practical purposes. Door panels. Door panels are the sections of the interior that cover the metal framework of the door and include various components such as armrests, window controls, speakers, and storage pockets. These panels are not just decorative elements but are designed to provide insulation, reduce noise levels, and enhance the comfort of the passengers. The design of door panels varies widely among different car models, with some featuring luxurious materials like wood or leather, while others prioritize durability and easy maintenance with materials like plastic or vinyl. Additionally, door panels can incorporate intricate patterns, textures, and color schemes to complement the overall interior design of the vehicle. Overall, door panels are more than just aesthetic features. They are functional components that contribute to the comfort, convenience, and overall experience of being inside a car. Next time you step into a vehicle, take a moment to appreciate the design and functionality of the door panels that add both style and practicality to your driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the names and functions of car interior parts can greatly enhance your driving experience. From the essential dashboard and steering wheel to the often overlooked sun visors and cup holders, each part plays a crucial role in ensuring comfort, safety, and convenience on the road. Don't underestimate the impact of features like the glove compartment, power windows, and seat adjusters. They can make a world of difference in your daily commute. By familiarizing yourself with these 20 key interior components, you'll not only navigate your vehicle with ease but also appreciate the intricate design and engineering that goes into creating a seamless driving environment. So, next time you hop into your car, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the functionality of these indispensable interior parts. Drive on! As we conclude our series on essential car interior parts, we hope you've enjoyed this comprehensive exploration of the components that make up your vehicle's cabin. Remember, understanding your car's interior can enhance your driving experience and help you appreciate the engineering behind every journey. Until next time, may you continue to explore and appreciate the intricacies of automotive design. Safe travels! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.